Okay, so karibu tujifunze kutengeneza applications za Android kwa kutumia Java programming language na Android Studio. Katika video tutorial hii tutajifunza namna ya kulink kati ya Android application na database ya MySQL. Okay. So hizi ni contents ambazo ni driven na ni dynamic contents zinatoka kwenye database ya MySQL. Okay. So hii ni PHP imesend hizi data kama JSON object. Okay. Android application data hizo tungoja kuzipokea kama JSON response. Okay. So kwenye episode hii tutajaribu ku create model, ku create adapter, ku create recycle view, ku bind view holder, kutengeneza progress dialog na ku receive server response. Okay, so final application yetu itakuja kuonekana kama hivi. Okay. So database tunatumia MySQL, okay, na data zetu tayari zipo kwenye database. For example, na table inaitwa customers. Okay. So hawa ni customers. Okay, so nimekuja ku fetch hawa customer kwa kutumia PHP na ku send hizi data kama JSON object. Okay. So ukirejea kwenye episode zilizotangulia tulijifunza namna ya kutengeneza schemas. So tulitengeneza schema 4, ya kwanza ni customer, ya pili ni installment, ya tatu ni message, okay, na ya 4 ni employee. Schema 4. Okay, so ukirejea kwenye episode zilizotangulia kwenye episode number 4, okay, na kwenye episode number 3 na episode number 2, hizi ni activity ambazo tulizifanya kwenye episode zilizotangulia. So nimeweka linki kwenye video description. Kama kuna video tutorial miss, unaweza kaangalia kwenye link description, kuna video nimeweka video series. Okay. So today tunaenda ku fetch data kutoka katika file ya PHP ambazo tulizisend kwenye episode iliyotangulia. Okay. So fungua Android Studio. Okay. So tulikuwa tumeishia eneo hili, tuli just ku create a grid system. So hii ni just a grid system kama unavyoiona, na tumetumia card layout. So come to package. So my package inaitwa com.informatics.loan-system. Okay, so just right click, choose new, then Java class. Okay, so naipa jina model. So na create a model. So model name will be model dashboard. Okay, so step number 1, create a model. So model ndo hii, model dashboard. Okay, so hiyo itakuwa ni step number 1. Step number 1, creating a model. Okay, so model yenyewe ndo hii, tumecreate model dashboard. Okay, so now tuna just kutengeneza first one, tengeneza instance variable, and then tutatengeneza constructor, then tuta just ku create getter method. Okay, so instance variables. So instance variables tunazitengeneza hapa. So hizi instance variables ni zile columns kwenye database ya customers relation. Una click. Okay, so after clicking, click structure. Okay, so first name, last name, full name, resident, national ID, requested loan, tax, direct cost and so on. So hizi hapa tunakuja kuziweka katika our model. Okay, so now natengeneza variable inaitwa just a string. Okay, so after writing string unakuja just ku copy first name, last name, unakuja kuziandika hapa kama zilivyo. Okay, so now mimi nime just kuziweka hapo. So string first name. Okay, so first name is this one, first name, last name and full name. Okay, so last name and full name, resident and national ID. Okay, so resident and national ID, requested loan and loan tax. Okay, so requested loan and loan tax and so on. So unaziandika hizo zote kama zinavyoonekana hapo until added by. Okay, until added by, na mimi just nimeshia hapo kwenye until added by. Okay, so now I terminate. So after creating instance variable, so now we just create a constructor. So what is a constructor? So constructor by default ni method. Ni method ambayo inamilikiwa na class na inafanya kazi ya ku initialize object. Okay, so kwenye Android Studio just bonyeza alt keypad, then uta hold alt keypad and then press insert. Okay, then choose constructor. Okay, then select, click shift hold and then select all. Okay, then click okay. Okay, so now constructor imekuwa created kama unavyoona. Okay, so public model dashboard, hii ni method na inakuwa na default class name. Okay, so now we use this keyword. So this dot first name equal to first name. Okay, so now copy it this keyword, then una just kuiduplicate kwenye hizi variable zote. So what is this keyword? This keyword ni keyword inayotumika kutofautisha zile variable ambazo zimepita kwenye constructor na zile ambazo zipo kwenye instance variable. So unapo initialize object, manake zitapita kwenye constructor kwanza, alafu zitaenda katika instance variable. So what is this keyword? This keyword inafanya kazi ya kuinitialize object, data zitakuja katika constructor kisha zitakuja katika instance variable, so zitakuwa ni global. Okay, so hapa natoka nje, just natengeneza getter, okay, getter method. So kuna method inaitwa setter and getter methods. Okay, setter inafanya kazi ya kuset value, getter inafanya kazi ya kuget value. So nitabonyeza alt, nitaishikilia, naweza insert, kisha nita select getter. Okay, so bonyeza shift, utai hold, select all. Okay, so now you can see public string get first name, return first name, public string get last name, return last name, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, so another step is we're going to create an adapter. So adapter inafanya kazi ya kubind recycle view, ku create na kubind view holder and so on. Okay, so now nakuja katika my package name informatics. Okay, right click, then choose Java class. Okay, so my class will be adapter. Okay, adapter, then na click enter. So class ya adapter imeshakuwa created. So now tumia keyword inaitwa extends recycle view. Okay, so just select recycle. Okay, recycle view hapo dot recycle view dot adapter. Okay, after selecting zone just kuweka hizi hapa bracket, then adapter adapter. Okay, so adapter dot class name. Class name is right, class name is customers. Okay, class name is customers. After then nakuja ku position cursor hapa. Okay, na just click implement method. So method zipo tatu, on create view holder, on bind view holder, and get item count. Okay, then select. So class ya customers haipo kama unavyoona. So nakuja hapa, baada ya get item count natengeneza class inaitwa customers. Okay, so now public class is okay customers. Public customer, na utaona ule ukundu nao umepotea Public class is customer. So extend recycle view. So extends ni keyword inatumika kufanya inheritance. Extend recycle view dot view holder. So access view holder and just access view holder. Okay, after then na just ku implement my function. Okay, so na position cursor hapo, then just create create constructor matching super. So hii hapa imeshakuwa created. Okay, so nikishafika step kama hii, ninakuja katika layout, just click on layout, then choose new. Okay, then layout resource file. Okay, so layout resource file will be dashboard, layout dashboard. So just like layout underscore dashboard. Right, after then let's choose layout dashboard. Let's choose. Okay, so just delete it, layout underscore dashboard. Then after then na click okay. So hii ni case sensitive, unachagua small return na click okay. Okay, so be careful hapa, be careful. So nabonyeza split, nakuja katika fragment home. Okay, kwenye fragment home na just ku copy hizi data za kwenye fragment home. Of course hii ni grid system. Okay, nakuja kwenye layout dashboard, nakuja ku paste. Okay, umeona nimezipaste. So nakuja tena katika fragment home. Okay, so na delete hizi grid layout. Okay, just delete grid layout. Okay, so nakuja kubadilisha hii nested scroll view. Okay, so delete it. Nested scroll view hii just nachagua na kuwa ni just a linear layout. Okay, so now na set orientation. Okay, so orientation to vertical. All right, So hapa nakuja just ku create a recycle view. Okay, so recycle view. So choose Android X recycle view dot widget recycle view. So will be match parent and wrap content. Okay, so ID, so will be recycle view. Okay, after then I close recycle view. Okay, so kwenye recycle view just hapa natengeneza just a scroll view. Okay, so will be a match parent, okay, then close recycle scroll view. Okay, so scroll view just nakuja ku close huku mwisho. Okay, so nashuka chini hapa just close a scroll view. Okay, so after that remember kwenye hii grid system tulishaweka ID humo, moto tulishaweka ID. Okay, so nakuja kwenye fragment, nakuja kwenye what adapter. Okay, nakuja huku mwisho kwenye hii class na just kutengeneza hapa text view, then na acha space, then nakuja katika model. Okay, na just kuja kucopy first name, last name, nakuja copy all. Okay, so now copy it. Okay, after copying, come to adapter and paste. Okay, so now remove string. Okay, so now position cursor, click import. Okay, after then baada ya super item view, so na just ku find the view by ID. So now first name, last name, full name, resident and national ID. So tunaanzia kwenye requested loan. Okay, so now requested loan, sorry, just baada ya super the item view and okay, so now hapa requested loan, so requested loan equal to item view. Okay, dot find view by ID. Okay, so now r dot id dot requested amount. So remember, so if sababu tulishafanya, so nikibonyeza control button ka hold. Okay, so ngoja kubonyeza requested amount itanileta hapa kwenye hii ID. So hii tulisha design. Okay, so now come to my adapter. After then just come to terminate. Okay, so now just come to copy the same code. Okay, so now come to duplicate. So remove we requested loan. Okay, so copy again, cut. Okay, so loan tax, sorry, then equal to item view, find view by ID and loan. Of course, it's tax collection. Okay, tax collection and direct cost equal to item view to find view by ID is direct charges. Okay, so remember. Okay, and total loan cost, so paste item view to find view by ID equal to total charges. Okay, and then taken amount, item view to find view by ID, taken amount, cash taken, of course, cash taken. Okay, and actual debit. Okay, this is capital letter. Actual debit. Okay, so equal to find view by ID, then just find the actual debt. Okay, and remain amount and the status. Okay, so now remain amount, item view dot find view by ID, remain amount. Okay, again status. Okay, so status, so another capital letter, status equal to item view dot find view by ID, then find what status. Okay, after then we come to delete our first name, last name, full name, resident and national ID. So unaweza kazi left kama unaona zina msingi. So for me just kuja delete kwa sababu sizihitaji. Okay, so okay, so now let's check for first name and last name, no problem. Okay, so now first name, okay, so just left it. First name and full name, okay. Okay, so now guys, delete hizi hapa, okay. First name, last name, full name and resident, just delete it, okay. And come to delete created at, okay, and delete added by, okay. Okay, it is good, okay. So after doing so, come to class ambayo ni customers, kwa chini hapa, chini ya customers, so just create a context. So context, then tengeneza object of context, okay. By then now I create my list from the model, okay. So list will be model dashboard, ambao model dashboard ni hii. So list yetu itatoka hapa, okay. This is from model dashboard. So just position cursor, import, and then import, okay. So equal to model dashboard list. So select model dashboard list, okay. Okay, so now hapa tuna just kutengeneza tunatengeneza just a class. Hii class itafanya kazi ya ku, okay, just come here, okay. So bonyeza alt and insert, then create constructor, then select contents and model dashboard, okay. So click okay. So hapo unakuwa nimeshatengeneza tayari constructor, okay. So nikija katika hii method ya adapter.customer hii hapa, so hapa nitachokifanya, takuja hapa, okay. So now create view, then view, okay, view equal to layout inflator, okay. So now tunaenda kuinflate hii layout dashboard, tunaenda kuinflate, okay. Tunaenda kuibind as well. So layout inflator dot from, then from where, from just put context of course ni ile variable from context, then use dot operator to access inflate method, okay. Then r dot layout dashboard, hapa layout dashboard ambayo tumesema tunai inflate, then just write parent, okay, just write here false, okay. After then come to terminate, okay. So now we create an object of customers. So customers, then customers, okay, equal to new customers. So hapa tunapitisha just an view hii hapo. So now return object ambayo ni customer. So tunakwenda kwenye onBind view holder, this method onBind view holder. Now tuna bind model yetu hii hapa, okay. So now we just create the object of our model dashboard, then model, okay. Then equal to, we select model dashboard list ambayo tumeitengeneza, dot get what, get current position, okay. So get position or current position, okay. So holder dot status, okay, dot set text, okay. Then model dot get status, okay. Okay, so now copy the same code, okay. Now come to duplicate, okay. So remove status, so remove a getter method, okay. So now copy it, and come to duplicate. Okay, so now model.set what? Now requested loan and loan task. Okay, so requested loan, then loan tax. Okay, and direct cost and total loan cost. Okay, so direct cost, okay, and total loan cost. Okay, taken amount in the actual debit, then taken amount, and after taking amount is actual debit, so now actual debt. Okay, and remaining amount, this will be remain amount. Okay, so status, get status, then requested loan, model.get requested loan task. Okay, loan tax. Okay, model.get loan tax. Okay, direct cost equal to model.get direct cost. Okay, so total loan cost equal to model.get total loan cost. Okay, taken amount equal to model.get taken amount, then actual debit equal to model.get actual debt. Okay, so now remain amount equal to model.get remain amount. Okay, so here we just perform a concatenation. We use symbol here for concatenation kwenye Java. So we concatenate with TZS, Tanzania shillings. Okay, so we can put USD. So holder actual debit, just put it. Then taken amount, we just put it. Total loan cost, we just put it. And direct cost is percentage, then we put, then you just delete it. We just weka hiyo percentage symbol. Loan tax, okay, so just remove it, then put percentage. Requested loan, and put TZS, then a status. Okay, so now position cursor, then suppress text hii hapo with annotation, na suppress, itaondoka hiyo iliyokuwa ime highlight. Okay, so now come to so hapa just come to terminate. Okay, so come to colors. Okay, so define color, so just select any color, for example this one, and you come to paste. Okay, so color name, rename from black to green, or you can say success. Okay, so now click, select a green color. Okay, so now that's success color. Okay, so come to adapter. Okay, come to adapter. If status, if, so hapo na check kama whether loan imekuwa completed or installment on progress. Okay, if model, okay, dot get status dot equals, okay, dot equals completed. What is completed? So unakuja kwenye database. Okay, come to browse our customer. So you can see now hapa wengi loan status completed, installment on progress. Okay, so ndio tunafanya hapa. So if loan is now completed, okay, so what to do? Okay, so we just come to find the image, our image. Okay, so now come to our layout. So our layout is this one. Okay, okay, so we just find the logos, for example. Okay, so now access logo. So kulikuwa na logo ni logo 4, this one ipo hapo, logo 4 hii hapa, SGV file, of course tuliziweka kwenye episode iliyotangulia. So now color, then change color, of course change color to our color ilikuwa ni success. Okay, ni success. Okay, so come to adapter, okay, so come to layout dashboard, and then just click kwenye icon. Okay, so hiyo ni image ambayo ni hii, so give an ID is status underscore logo. Okay, status underscore logo. In text inaonekana hapo, text of course ni hii hapo, text hii ni status. Okay, so come to adapter, then come to hapa. Oh yes, unaja kutengeneza object ya image view status underscore logo. Okay, then terminate. Okay, status underscore logo terminate, then copy the same code. So status underscore logo equal to item view.findView by ID status underscore logo. Okay, so if model.getStatus equal to completed. Okay, so holder dot status underscore logo. Okay, dot set image resource, then r dot, of course, r dot drawable dot logo 4. Logo is logo 4. Okay, after then we set text color to green. Okay, so holder dot status, of course, in just holder dot status. Okay, dot set text color so bracket on color dot, you can pass color. Okay, so just pass color. So color ambayo iko katika colors. Okay, so we just select this color. Okay, so come to adapter, then paste it. Okay, after then una just terminate. Okay, so now after that you come to of course get item count. Okay, so come to get item count hapo. Okay, so return model dashboard list dot size. Okay, so now we can run our application. Okay, so now return, so now kuna return keyword hapa nimesahau, sorry. Okay guys, come to our model. Okay, so zile method zote ambazo hazijakuwa highlighted, get first name, get last name, get full name, get resident, get national ID, so remove it, hazijatumika hizo, just na remove. Okay, after removing string first name, last name, resident, national ID, just remove. Okay, move again, come to added by. Okay, now remove it, and created at, and remove it. Okay, so tunabakiwa na hizo, of course ni 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so now if start to remove instance variable, just hapo na come just kuzi delete. Okay, unakuja katika constructor, just remove resident to first name. Okay, remove national ID, remove. Okay, so come to remove again, added by, so string added by, remove. Okay, and remove created at, remove. Okay, okay, so now tunabakiwa na just 8, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 6 7 8. Okay, so I think he created at, so delete getter method and delete getter method. Okay, so now come to home. Okay, after coming to home, now from to do hii hapa delete kipande chote akina kazi mpaka hapa kabla ya on create view. So hichi kipande chote just delete. Okay, and then delete is comment hapa, just delete. So patakuwa hivi. Okay, so now arrange itakuwa hivi. Okay, so now hapa tuna inflate. Okay, library utazi download inze kwenye link description. Library zenye ni hizi. So kuna library ya Volley. Okay, so now retrofit na retrofit converter JSON. Okay, so now copy them. Okay, so come to Android Studio. So navigate Gradle script. So double click to expand. So click build.gradle. Okay, so now come to paste. So control V shortcut ya paste. Okay, so hii ni database connection. Is a database connection is in labda za kwa ajili ya database. So then click sync, okay, to download. Okay, so come to home.java. Okay, so remove return and write v capital letters and then choose view. Okay, so create an object of view equal to inflator.inflate r.layout and then fragment home. Okay, so now we come here, then we just say return what? View. Okay, okay, so now hapa to just create a global variable. Okay, global variable. So global variable ni variable ambazo zinamilikiwa na class. Okay, so now private list. So my list itatoka katika model. Okay, so model dashboard. Okay, so just I create an object of list. So terminate, then position cursor and import class. Okay, after then create an object of adapter, private adapter, then adapter. Okay, by then create an object of recycle view. Recycle view, and then recycle view. Okay, so come to after view object hapa. Okay, after. Okay, so initialize our view. Okay, initialize our views. Only our views. Okay, initialize our views. So now recycle view equal to view dot find view by id. So r.id dot recycle view. So remember, recycle view ipo kwenye fragment home. Okay, ambao ni hii hapa. Now we access recycle view id. Okay, so home. So again listing, ile object ya listing equal to new, of course, new array list, of course, that's one array list. Okay, okay, again our object ambayo ni adapter, so sawa na equal to new adapter. Okay, then get application contents or get contents. Okay, just like a list. Okay, so come to terminate. Okay, so now hapa tuna just format, japo sio lazima. Okay, unaweza just skip this recycle view iwe just horizontal or vertical and so on. Okay, so now recycle view dot set has fixed the size. Okay, so equal to, I just put true. Okay, and recycle view dot set adapter, and then I set my adapter. Okay, again recycle view dot set. Okay, set what? Of course in layout manager, this one layout manager, then pitisha argument new linear layout manager, Okay, so now hapa just write get context. Okay, so again recycle view dot add item decoration. Okay, So item decoration equal to new divider, of course divider item decoration here, then get context. Okay, so again then divider item decorations, and choose to, of course this is vertical. Okay, this one, not horizontal, ni vertical. Okay, so after doing so, we come to create a please wait dialog kipindi ina fetch data. Okay, please wait dialog, just to show you the wait dialog. Okay, so kuna wait kipindi ina login, yani kipindi amefungua page, kipindi ina load data kutoka katika server, kuna time interval ambapo application ina take time ku establish connection na database kule. So hiyo time inaitwa ni time ambayo application ina establish connection. So maana yake nini? Data zinakuwa zionekani kwanza, ni kitendo kama cha sekunde 2 au 3. So kipindi wala tuonyeshe progress dialog, please wait. Okay, so now, so please wait dialog. Okay, so now just use here final and progress dialog. I'm sorry, just choose progress dialog, and then dialog equal to new progress dialog, and then context in this context, get context. Okay, dialog dot set, of course set message is here, set message. Okay, message is loading data. Okay, loading data. Okay, so now dialog, okay, dot set on touch outside cancelable, set on, okay, on touch outside, set cancelled on touch outside, false. Okay, equal to false. Again then dialog dot show. Okay. Okay, so now shafia stage kama hii. So now we just create a final, just now send post request to application programming interface, mafaili ya PHP ile tuliotengeneza kwenye episode iliyotangulia. So now final string request. Hii ni Volley, okay, na utaiona kipindi zile library nilizokuambia hizi. Volley yenyewe ipo wapi? Hii hapa. So kiinstall hiyo kwenye Gradle pale ndo utaiona hiyo nani. Utaiona hii string request, otherwise huwezi kuiona. String request equal to request equal to tengeneza object new string request, then now we send a post request. So request, then of course is dot request dot, of course request dot method, request dot, of course method, then dot. So method tuna delete, get, head, option, patch, post, put, trace. Okay, so now we use a post request. So here we just put a server URL. Server URL inaweza kuwa ni online au sio online. Okay, so now new response listener, hii hapo itamaliza hapo hiyo method. Okay, response listener. So una just kuna error. Okay, URL required is string, provided is integer. Okay, so come to file letu la PHP, of course ni hili. So hii ni dashboard, remember, dashboard tulitumia kwa ajili ya ku fetch data. So nikirefresh dashboard, so come to localhost my PC, local disk C, XAMPP, htdocs, then new folder rename. Of course dashboard ni hapa. Okay, dashboard then htdocs. Okay, so now go back, so refresh. Okay, so dashboard yetu ilikuwa ni hii. Okay, dashboard ilikuwa ni hii. Ngoja kwenye new folder. Okay, htdocs. Okay, so dashboard ilikuwa ni hii. Okay, so I copy it, dashboard. Okay, dashboard. Okay, after copying, come to our project, Android project, then paste your URL here. Okay, so remove localhost na tunaweka IP address ya computer. So mimi nimeconnect simu yangu na hotspot, so connected hotspot. Okay, so come to desktop start button and access command prompt. Okay, so issue command IP config, and then leave space, then /all get all adapters. Okay, so now nime connect kwenye wireless. Okay, you can see LAN adapter, that is wireless. So my wireless ni hii hapa. Okay, now nime connect kwenye wireless. Okay, so ambao ni hii hapa. So now copy an IP address. Okay, just select it. So this is default gateway. I'm sorry. So IP address ni hii hapa. Okay. Okay, my IP address, my machine IP address. Okay, after copying now, come to replace. Hapa, remove localhost, then paste IP address. Okay. And now kuna just a mistake here. So final string request equal to new string request. So request.method.post. Okay, so let's put then new. Okay, then new response.listener string. Okay, so there's a problem. And position cursor. Okay, so now sorry, dialog tulishow. Okay, so now hapa now dialog dot dismiss. Okay, so now we just write try. Okay, so try. Okay, so this is a try block. Okay, so this will be a catch. Okay, then this will be a catch block. Okay, so try and catch block. Okay, yes. Okay, so kwenye kwenye try. Okay, so just write JSON. Of course, JSON array, then array equal to new JSON array, then we pass response in here. Okay, response. Okay, after then now we loop our data. Okay, so not worry, zero zitaondoka zote. So now loop data from dashboard.php. Of course ni hii. So tuna loop hizi tulizo send ndio tunaziloop. Okay, loop data. So now for int, so for int loop equal to 0. Okay, then loop less than array dot choose length, then loop equal to loop +1 or loop ++. Okay, so just implementation. So now implement the body of loop. Okay, so JSON object, then object equal to array dot get JSON object, which object? Our loop. Okay, and let's just come here and you terminate. Okay, so list dot add, we add new what, model dashboard, then we pass our object. Okay, dot tulisema kwamba zile data ambazo unazisendi hapa, hizi data nimetumia PHP kusendi JSON object, lakini hizi object zinapokuja kwenye Android application unazireceive kama JSON string response. Naona hapa lazima utumie string hapa, get string. Kwa hata kama ume send data ambazo ni number, yenyewe itazitambua hizo ni string. So zikija kwenye Android application nataka uzi convert. Okay. So hapa kwenye object nao tuna receive string ya kwanza ambayo ni of course first name, last name, so on. Okay, so tunaanzia hapa kwenye requested long. Okay, so come here then just put requested long. Okay, after then just shusha chini. Okay, then terminate. Okay, so hii na yenyewe una just kuiweka hapo. Okay, inakuwa namna hii. Then copy it, then come to duplicate. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Now hapa just move it kwa hiyo. Okay, so now as ni cascade and cascade, and then okay, so now long tags, just press here on tab. Okay, then direct cost 3, put here direct cost. Okay, then total on cost. Okay, I just put total on cost. Yes, sorry, tracking amount. Okay, let's paste tracking amount. Actual debt. Okay, let's paste actual debt. Okay, remaining amount. Okay, just paste remaining amount. Okay, status. Okay, paste status. Okay, now baada ya hii bracket hapa, after you bracket, so now adapter dot notify, for example, notify data set changed. Okay, so now just we select it. Okay, so we come to catch, we just throw object of exception. Okay, exception or object. Okay, so kwenye exception kuna number format exception, you can see number format exception. Okay, then tuna array. Okay, index out of bound exception. Okay, then tuna arithmetic, of course in arithmetic. Okay, arithmetic exception, of course ni arithmetic exception. Okay, so there are so many exceptions, so kuzinclude zote hizo hatujui which exception. So hii ni of course ni database exception. Now exception E ita just ku include all exceptions. Okay, exception E. Okay, so now we are just creating here alert dialog, alert. Okay, alert dialog, and then alert dialog equal to new alert dialog. Okay, so dot just use access dot equal to new alert dialog. cancel here. So here dot builder, that's builder, okay, dot builder. So get current context ambayo ni hii. So use dot operator to access method ya create, okay. Okay, so now alert dialog dot set of course title. Now response error, okay. So alert dialog dot set message. Okay, so now simple example now can delete. So unaweza kachagua hapa toast, okay, toasty as a simple toasty, create a new toasty, then get application contents, okay, then response error, okay. So toast dot length short, so remove short, andika just a long, okay. So dot show, okay. If response failure, okay, you know, after catch and after catch block, okay. So after catch hapa tunajua kuweka hii koma namna hiyo, was the method haijakuwa implemented, so new response error listener, so na select error listener hiyo, okay. Okay, so now dialog dot dismiss, okay. So now toast, then create a new toast, okay, then get application context, okay, then hapa manake user haja connect computer yake kwenye smartphone kwenye mtandao, please or internet connection problem, okay, internet connection problem, okay. So after doing so, we come to kuja kuitest application yetu later, lakini for now let's try to test our application, okay. To manifesting, okay. So enable internet access, so permissions, users permissions, okay. So now andika pages internet, okay, and then choose the internet and then close, okay. Then after true, then users clear traffic, okay, then choose true, okay. So now we are going to run our application, okay. So tuone namna ya ku run application ya kutoka kwenye Android Studio. So unaweza kuwa tumetengeneza application yetu kama hivi, lakini ndio tuirani application kwenye simu ya mkononi, smartphone, kwa ajili ya kuifanyia testing na kuiangalia inaonekanaje. So just nikija kukliki hapa na kukutana na hii AVD na nini, lakini simu yangu hapa naona sioni. So cha msingi hiyo simu umeconnect kwenye hiyo computer ambayo natumia kufanya development. So utachukua USB ambayo inapitisha data, lakini utaconnect kwenye smartphone yako, okay. So kuna configurations kidogo za kuzifanya kwenye smartphone ili uweze kuja kuiona hapa na ukaja kuilaunch application yako ukaja kuitestia huko, okay. So now tuone. So nitakuja katika simu yangu, nitaenda katika settings, okay. Nikisha click kwenye settings, nitakuja kwenye what about phone, okay. So nita click about phone, then nitakuja kwenye kuonyesha hii software information, okay. By then nitakuja ku find a build number, nitaibonyeza mara 8 hii build number. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, kisha nitaambiwa you are now developer. So mimi nishakuwa developer, so no need to be developer kwa sababu nilishakuwa developer. So unaona nimeshakuwa developer. So press 8 times. Press 8 times na utakuwa developer. After then go back. Okay, go back again. So now unaona developer option. Okay, so now click. Okay, so now make sure hapo umeweka on developer option, umeweka on, and USB debugging hii na yenyewe umeweka on. Okay, after that utakuja kwenye setting again. Okay, then come to about phone. Okay, then come to status information. Status information. Okay, so now IP address, my computer IP address is 192.168.12.112. hii ni my IP address. Kwa lazima uwe katika the same network. Okay, so just hii simu nimejust ku hotspot my computer, so this is hotspot. Na ukiangalia hapa nimejust ku hotspot. Okay, so IP address ni hii hapa, so lazima tuwe katika the same network ID. Okay, so now nikija katika kuangalia kwenye command prompt, so just you can open command prompt. So open cmd. Okay, command prompt. Okay, so after opening command prompt, then issue command ipconfig, then click enter. Okay, after clicking enter, now you can see IP address of my computer 192.168.12.227. We are in the same network portion. Okay, 12 is network ID. Katika smartphone yangu nipo kwenye network ya 12.112 na hii ni 12.227. So we are in the same network portion. Kwa now application yangu now naweza nikailaunch. So baada ku enable developer option, na unakuja katika hii sehemu ya AVD. Okay, so hapa na just nitaiona of course smartphone yangu. After then nitai select Samsung hii hapo, then na click run na graduate just ku build my project. Okay, so now no longer now application yangu itakuja kuwa launched hapo. Okay, so now please wait a moment. Okay, very sorry. So come to PHP and access dashboard.php and remove this echo. Okay, so after removing, then remove print. Okay, and then remove JSON, then print. Okay, remove. Okay, so now remove it, JSON print. Okay, so now inakuwa ni namna hii. Okay, so now after then just pamoja kuandika echo. Okay, so echo JSON. So now save changes and come to refresh dashboard. Okay, so now our data. Okay, so now come to home.java. Before return view hapo ni home.java. So now just send your request volley. So volley.new request queue. Okay, this one new is then get context. Okay, then use add dot operator to access method that add request. So add then you just add your request. Okay, so now run your application. Okay, so application yetu ina run. So ukifungua hapa, so just ina load. So loading our application. Okay, so now ina just scan it to build. Bila ina build project. So I'm sorry, so hapa just ku terminate to resolve, and then come to run again, then open your application. So soon it will launch your application. Okay, so just gradually build your project. Okay, so inafanya installation now. Okay, ina launch. Okay, so now, okay, so